Essay on If I Were a Bird in English, 249 words. If I were a bird, I would like to be one of the small species, cute and beautiful. I would love to be a tiny parrot that is beautiful, tiny, and above all, it is a bird that man can keep as a pet. Beautiful यानी कि सुंदर. Above all, इसके अलावा. I would love to stay with humans. Stay with humans, लोगों के साथ रहता. Study their ways and enjoy their company. I would be able to do this as the parrot has power of speech just like humans. It talks like a human being, has a sweet voice, and above all also has a great capacity to learn whatever it is taught. If I were a bird, I would like my life to be a beautiful blend of freedom of flying in the high skies and the love and care given by humans. I see advantages in both and find it difficult to make a choice. My ambition as a bird would be able to fly high as can be, like any other bird. This would give me an insight into what all exists in the atmosphere. Atmosphere फिजा बुलंदी. I would also be able to experience the life of birds as a community. Experience तजर्बा. The advantages and the disadvantages they live with. I would share my experiences and try to understand the difficult ways of life. Difficult मुश्किल. Understand समझना. I would attain knowledge of lives of birds big and small as I would move with them, flying high in the air or sitting on trees. I would live my life as a bird to the fullest. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Thank you.